see. Hi guys, welcome back again. On today's video, I'm going to turn my cosmetic GM, my Louis Vuitton Cosmetic GM, into a crossbody bag. Of course, you've seen a lot of people doing this, but I'm just gonna show you also that I'm going to do it. Okay, so we just need this, and we want to loosen up the loop in here so that it has some space to put in the ring. So this is how it looks like. So you just put in like this and leave it for a while until the leather is a bit loose. And instead of leaving it overnight, I want to try to just move it a little bit and stretch out the leather. I've seen a lot of people in YouTube leave it like this overnight, but I want to try to just put in up until here so that it is quite big. And as I'm doing that, I am moving up and down and make it a bit loose. You have to do it gently. Okay, so this is the one before. This is the one before I open, or before I do anything. The loop is quite small, and I'm going to put in this D-ring into here. So this D-ring is a bit, the diameter is a bit bigger than this, so this is quite tight. That's why I am doing this, to make it bigger a little bit. Just trying to push in a little bit. As you can see, you started to see there is a hole in here compared to this one. This is quite tight. This is better. I'm going to poke in from the other side. The same hole, but just now I poke in from this side, and now I'm poking it from the other side. And as I'm doing this, I'm trying to push a little bit so I don't have to wait overnight for the leather to stretch out. Just push a little bit. Let's see. There you go. Can you see the difference? The loop is a bit bigger here comparing to this one. This is a bit tight. So I'm gonna do the other side also. This is quite tight, so you have to be really gentle. Yep. Sit. Again, I'm pushing it forward, up and down. Make sure you hold on to this tab and hold it firm. You don't want the stitching to come off completely and stuff like that. You just want to loosen up a little bit of this hole without breaking any stitching. You have to be really careful with this. Just move it up a little bit, up and down. And now from the other side. Let's see if we can put in the D-ring now with the little hole that we just created. Okay, this is the D-ring. Oops, just regular D-ring. This is a bit tricky. So I'm just using this first without the D, just so that the hole can fit this. So this is quite firm. You just make sure it's not that loose, so that you know when you have it as a crossbody, it doesn't come off. So one side is done. I'm gonna do the other side and this one. You need to push a bit hard at the beginning. In here, you can use your finger or you can use this. You need to push a bit. Almost there. Let's see. Okay. Okay, and then you need to check if it's secure enough by moving it like this. Once it's done, there you go. You have now you have to check and secure if it's secure enough. Once it's done, there you go. You have your D-ring attached to your cosmetic pouch. Now we can add in the strap, any type of strap that you want. Let's try with the pearl. This is how it looks like. Whoops! With the small one, I think this going upside down like this. See? Now let me try on the bigger strap. Okay, that also I think you need to put in something. Okay guys, so today we just finished putting on the D-ring in here and using the chains into the toiletries GM. However, if you don't have anything inside, the pouch will just go like this. Like this. See? Because the way it's structured is not meant to be a crossbody bag. So this is actually a pouch, but a lot of people actually do it. But in my case, I don't know if the D-ring is too small or is it too thick, but it looks perfectly okay in terms of size, in my opinion. However, that happened, you know. Okay, let me try to put in my wallet and my car keys and everything to see if what happened if I put something inside. So let me put in my Victorine wallet, and I usually bring my car keys. That's how it is. This is how it looks like. And let's see if it, nope, that's all right. It looks fine. This is if the pouch has quite a things inside, so it's not empty. So I can use it like this. And of course you can change it with pearl and with any other strap that you want. So at the end, I can say that this is still worth it. You still can use it as a crossbody bag, but you have to make sure you have something inside this, otherwise it will just go upside down like that. I think that's it for today. I hope you find this useful, and I see you in the next video. Bye.